what is this, a balcony?
Yes, this is a very popular system in Germany, by the way. This is a balcony system. And you can see it's a small micro-inverter system, and you can connect it directly to the grid. It's
to the grid, to the normal 220 volt.
To the normal 220, 230 volt connectors, and simply plug it in and it works.
And this is allowed in?
It's allowed in Germany. Other countries, this is a little bit different.
In Netherlands, it's not allowed. It is really easy. Bang, bang. Balcony in there, ready.
Exactly. We had yesterday a competition with installers to install it within, I think, 45 seconds or something like that. They mounted it, they installed it, plugged it in, and it was commissioned, working.
Wow, micro-inverters, cool.
Yeah, it is indeed. It's a new solution, so for small residential, you can use it very simply for one module, two modules, up to 800 watts.
And when is it useful to choose for micro-inverters? Up to how many panels?
Well, for residential solutions, let's say up to 6 to 8 panels. It's also financial, very interesting. For bigger residential solutions, you can choose between the micro-inverters and string inverters. Also, not to forget, a string inverter is also for safety, because you only have AC on your roof. So it's also for installers, very safe to work with. Instead, because string inverters, that's another high power. So that's a big difference.
Hey, safety is very important for the installer. What do you have for that?
Agreed. We have the arc detection, for example, which is standard in our string inverters. So when an arc occurs, it's switched automatically off. We can show you. Now an arc is detected. You have to wait a couple of seconds, and then it's completely switch off the string in which the arc is detected.
The rest of the system keeps on working, but the string
can work exactly, and this one switches off.
Is that an option or is that standard?
It's a standard feature within the string inverters. We have, of course, the inverters from the 1-phase to 3-phase, completed with a storage system. It's flexible, modular, 3.2 kilowatt hours, and you can just simply stack it up. It can be completed with EV charging systems. You see, this is also for residential. Of course, we also have the DC chargers, but this is really residential. And then it's completed with the iSolarCloud. Very convenient, because you can see which...
The home manager.
It's a home manager. You can see how your energy flows in your home are going. Is it from the battery? Is it from the grid? Whatever. So. From commercial, we have the 125 kilowatt inverters. That's the first value from commercial, and then we are going higher, 150, 250, etc., etc. For the string inverters from Sungrow, these are the optimizers. So this is for an extra efficiency for your for the string inverters.
What does it do?
An optimizer is really make sure that you have a better performance of your whole string. So when you have modules with pollution, shadow, different degradations, etc., etc., it bucks up the current until the maximum level.
And so you don't have, so it doesn't lose the whole string. It keeps optimized that way.
Exactly. You pass the weakest module, and then keeping up the highest current as possible in your string.
And that's new now with the commercial string.
Exactly. The Optimizer is a brand new project for Sungrow. It completes the products completely.
Shipping when?
It's already, you can shipping already.
Hooray, I'm ordering.